Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create a database in PostgreSQL. If you're a beginner, if you don't know how to create a database, you've not done it before, for PostgreSQL, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how you're going to do that. So you open your Postgres, your PG admin, and it might prompt you for a password. Put your password and then come to servers, click on this arrow. So when you install Postgres for the first time, it comes with a pre-installed database, Postgres. You can also create yours. So in this video now, I'm going to show you how to create your own. And then you come here to databases, right click on it, then this create, and then click on this database. Now you're going to give your database a name. Give it a meaningful name. So a project you're probably working on, use it as a name of your database. I like to add DB, but it's just a preference at the end of the database name I want to use. So this one, naming it Spotify DB. Okay, so that's all you have to put here, um just the database name. It can be anything, but ideally use the name of the very project you're working with or the data set you're working with, so that you can easily differentiate the databases in your PG admin. Okay, so for this one, because I want to work on this data set, that is why I'm using the name Spotify DB as the database name. Here we have definition. You have nothing to do with here. Security, you shouldn't tamper with it. Parameters, advanced SQL, don't do anything. Your only job is to give your database a name. Come here and click on save. All right, so now it's saved, and you can see when we scroll down, we're going to see this database. Look at it here, Spotify DB. Look at it here. It comes with other functionalities of the database: catalogs, event triggers, extensions, languages, publications, schemas, and all that. This database needs to function well. After creating a database, the next thing you should do is to create a table. And if you have a data set in Excel spreadsheets, then import your table into your database here on Postgres. But for the sake of this video, is just how to create a database. I have another video on this channel where I show you how to create a table and import your spreadsheet data set into your Postgres SQL. I'm going to leave a link to that video in this very video, the description, so that you can watch it and see what to do next after creating the database, which is to create a table and then import your data set into PostgreSQL, and then you can go ahead to write your SQL queries. Okay, guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.